Limited bullet, unlimited everything that you need in this millimeter hack. This is a turn on and turn off menu. So if you want to play with the menu on, you can turn it on. If you want to play without the menu, you can play without the menu turn on. As you see, I turn on the menu and I turn off the menu in this gameplay right now. Yes, everyone, so you're going to follow these details right now. Click on the link in my comment section now, everyone. Then you want to direct you to this page. So click on that link in my comment section right now. So this is the page that is loading up, everyone. So the timer is going to count down. So click on that link. Yes, guys, so you're going to click on that link. 10 seconds, then it load up, then you see this next stage. Please wait 30 seconds. As you'll see, the 30 seconds will complete after you wait 30 seconds. So I said wait 15 seconds now, everyone. So this is the next step. Yes, click on verify, everyone. So click on verify. You're going to see the next link come up. Yes, so I will show you the link that will come up. So you're going to click on next, everyone. You see what I'm doing? So you have to follow this guide to download your app. If you follow this guide carefully, your app will fully download. So click on it 30 seconds now, everyone. This is the next step. So you're going to click on this link 30 seconds. So you have to complete 4 steps to this app. Link to download. You have to complete 4 steps. So wait on this part to complete now, everyone. Yes, so I can show you the next step. So you're going to scroll down. Yes, scroll down and then you click on continue. You're going to click on continue. Page is going to load up now. So scroll over to the next page, everyone. As you can see, scroll over to the next page. So you're going to click on subscribe right here now. So you're going to click on subscribe. As you can see, subscribe right here now. So you're going to subscribe to my YouTube channel to unlock this process. So you're going to subscribe and come back. Yes, then you're going to click on that link. Yes, so you're going to scroll down and click on unlock link. Click on that, everyone. So the link going to load up now, everyone. So you're going to scroll down, guys. Said scroll down. Now what you're going to do now, guys, scroll up back. What you want to do now, tap on that file right there, so millimeter mod files. So you click on that now, everyone. So you click on generate link. So the link going to generate now. Click on download. Don't click on download first, click on download. So the link is going to download from your files now, everyone. So this is the file download, everyone. So that is the last step. So when you finish download your millimeter from your file now, guys, that's how your millimeter going to look. Yes, this is the app that you're going to download from that file in millimeter. So you can play normal version, you can play with this version on. So you can turn on the fly through wall hack if you like that fly through hack. If you don't, you can let it stay there, guys. So these options are there. So these right here to know in this hack, guys. So this hack is 100% working. So I used to defeat all these players right in here, guys. Yes, right in here I turn on the gas bomb nade. So I turn on the gas bomb nade right here. You see that the green full out the map, everyone. Press the playlist on the screen to watch the full video. Screen right to show